This is the basic concept, Nature Fresh Bamboo Charcoal Air Purifying Bags. There are 4 bags in there. Let's open the bag to see what's inside. These are the 4 bags. They come with the 4 hooks. And the hook quality is really good. It's not going to bend even though I twist it. It can easily hang on your closet like a regular clothes. So the inside is the bamboo charcoal, and it will absorb the odor anywhere, like closet or in the bathroom. And the good thing about this is it can last for up to 2 years. So you bought this one and come within 4. If you've got 3 bedrooms, each bedroom closet, put one, another one in the bathroom. I think this is a pretty good size. And the inside is like a solid. I think they put a lot of bamboo charcoal inside. And it's pet safe. It means that it's not toxic. I think it's also good that to put it into a gym bags. So after you do all the exercises, all your towels, whatever, put into gym bags, you put this one in. I think that's probably gonna help. And the material used is very good. The fabric is thick, it's strong. If you put it into your closet anywhere, it doesn't look bad. Actually looks pretty good. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.